The 2015 Chrysler Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with the Towing Prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, keyless start, 4-wheel disc brakes, hard disk drive media storage, universal garage door opener, power windows, security system, fog lights, rear window defroster, compass, CD player, electronic stability control, trip computer, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, remote keyless entry. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.